Front Range Power is a rather unique power plant, even for a gas plant. It's what we would call a gas combined cycle plant, where we have two combustion turbine engines that generate a tremendous amount of heat. That heat then goes into what we call a heat recovery steam generator. That allows steam to be generated and run through an additional turbine. So it gives us a combined cycle generation. This is the most efficient use of gas for a gas-powered power plant. Front Range Power as a power plant was initiated back in 1999 and actually became operational in about the 2003 timeframe. We've had it around for about 7 to 8 years. Has been a very good productive plant for us. We have built the plant in a private company called a Limited Liability Corporation. We have a 50% partner in this plant with the Colorado Springs Utilities that owns the plant, and there is a contract for Colorado Springs Utility to buy the power output out of this plant. Right now we are taking pretty much close to the full output of this plant. In 2010 we have the opportunity to actually purchase the remaining 50% in the power plant by an option that came up under our contract. Currently we are looking at how much in savings could we actually obtain by purchasing the remaining 50% of the power plant. Right now the power plant is financed with taxable debt under a private limited liability corporation. So we have to pay out taxable interest, and then we also have to pay out a return on equity to the partners, of which Colorado Springs Utilities is one of the partners. With that partnership, if we look at the options to purchase, we would look at purchasing this and using tax-exempt bonds to finance this power plant under the municipal utility. By doing that, we're able to get rid of our capacity agreement that we have, which is a fairly high-priced capacity agreement today, and we're able to replace it with tax-exempt financing and our own operation and maintenance. The combination of those two, we believe, are going to save us up to $15 million per year. And likelihood over the remaining life of this plant is going to save us about $150 million on a net present value. So it is a very significant savings that we would realize here. Under Front Range Power right now, with the capacity agreement, that allows for a pretty diverse portfolio. In the purchase of Front Range Power, it's going to allow us to actually own that power as opposed to buying the capacity of the power plant. In the ownership, it gives us a lot more control over when and how we'll use Front Range Power, and we'll be able to get a better diverse mix of our power plants with the ownership of it.